Imagine this, waking up every morning, not to an alarm, but to the sounds of the waves crashing on the beach in Bali, or the bustling energy of a city you always wanted to visit. No deadlines, no commutes, just pure freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you this dream is about to become my reality? For years, I have been grinding away at a job. I mean, it paid the bills, but it wasn't doing anything for my soul. I wasn't happy. I was devastating and I was depressed. And I know I'm not the only person in the world that feels that way. The itch to just break free, escape the rat race, to leave 9 to 5 behind and live life on your own terms. But here's the thing, I don't want to wait anymore. I'm making this happen. And I want you to be a part of this journey with me. I made the decision to go full time making content and traveling the world. But here's the twist. I'm not doing this alone. I'm starting a GoFundMe. And here's where you come in. Your support is going to make this journey even possible for me. It's going to allow me to be able to focus 100% on creating the content that people love. Adventures, travel guides, and even behind the scenes mode. Without being chained to an office, slaving my life away. And every donation brings us closer to new places, new stories, new adventures, and new possibilities. Now, I'm not asking for a handout. I'm actually asking for a partnership. You see, my dream isn't just to travel the world and just see things that other people don't see. It's to build something actually much bigger than that. Something we can actually build together. This journey is about creating inspiring, real, and raw travel footage or content, whatever you like. It's about discovering different cultures and showing you what the world is really like, escaping all the tourist traps. And along the way, I'll be sharing every lesson, every adventure, and every struggle, so you can be a part of it every step of the way. Now, when I first started my channel, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I started with just regular videos, then I started doing reactions, then I was doing vlogs. Then it just wasn't making me happy. And then I thought, okay, what about I document the places that I've already been? But over time, it actually grew into something bigger. It's about showing you that the world is more acceptable than you think it is, especially for Black people. It's about freedom and proving that you don't need to be tied down to a job and a desk for the rest of your life, slaving your life away. And some of you have been watching my videos since the beginning. You've seen the growth, the challenges, the wins, and the losses. Now it's time to take things to the next level. And I need your help to make this happen. With your support, I will not only be able to focus on 100% creating, but I will be bringing you to places with me like this, and like this. We'll be exploring the world together, showing you how you can make your own dreams of traveling the world and having freedom a reality. And it doesn't actually stop there. I'll also build something even bigger than that. A full website with guides, tips, travel resources, and exclusive deals through my affiliate links to help you travel smarter and cheaper. Every time you book through one of my links, you'll not only get the awesome discounts that comes with it, but you'll also be supporting this journey, allowing me to keep creating and traveling, doing what I love. So here's the deal. I'm all in on doing content and traveling the world. And I'm asking you to help me fuel this dream, whether it's through the GoFundMe or by using one of my affiliate links to book your next trip. Every bit of support helps. You're not just donating, you're becoming part of the journey. Together we'll be building something that's more than just travel. It's about proving that freedom is possible, that chasing your dreams is definitely worth it, and that no adventure is too big as long as you're willing to take the leap. So if you're ready to be a part of this journey, check out the links in my description. Whether it's a donation, a shout out, or just clicking through my affiliate links to plan your next trip, you're helping making this dream a reality. Together we'll quit our 9 to 5, explore the world, and live the lives that we always wanted on our own terms. So are you with me? Let's make this happen. Hit subscribe, follow the journey, and I'll see you on the road.